With all the wonderful weather we've been having and it's so warm outside, it's really hard to think about a quilt that's called Winter Wonderland. And we don't really want to start thinking about winter and snow. I think some of us are still enjoying the heat. Maybe we've had a little too much, but I decided to make this table runner because I have lots of Christmas table runners, but I don't have very many winter table runners. So when I saw this pattern, I thought, this is perfect for me. It is a Quiltworx pattern and it is done with foundation paper piecing. So if you look at all the little points on it and you go, I can't do that, you don't really have to sew all those little spikes together. We're going to be doing it on paper, and the paper, you just have to sew a straight line down the paper. It's really not hard to do. If you haven't done a Judy Neimeyer Quiltworx pattern before, you're going to be surprised at how it's set up to help you be successful. We cut pieces with templates. Everything is very organized. I think that's why I like it so much. Inside the pattern, you're going to get enough papers to do 4 squares. On my table runner, I've only used 3 of the squares because that's what fits on my table. You may want to use the 4 squares and make it for a larger coffee table or a dining room table. You might want to add a little bit to it and make it into a bed runner. Or you could sew the squares together, the 4 together, and put them into a square, and then it could be a table topper. There's lots of flexibility with these patterns. You know, some people look at it and go, oh, I've got a table runner, I don't need another one. But think of other ways you could do it. You could do pillows. One of my students actually went and made it into a quilt. She took her squares and put it around a panel and made it into a quilt. It looks beautiful. The other thing is even though this is called Winter Wonderland, it would look beautiful in any color fabric. We don't need to be doing it in blues. I do it in blues because I love blue, but for other people, you could do it in any color that matches your decor or just makes you happy. So please come join me for this class and learn some new techniques and have some fun. Thank you.